Pictory AI tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Pictory AI and how you can use this AI for yourself in the easiest way. So basically, you can use Pictory for AI content creation. So the account creation process is pretty simple. You're going to click on get started for free. Okay, there's no credit card required when you go through the sign up process. So you're just going to click on those things and here you're going to come to sign up. Now, once you come over here, it's going to take you through the only processes. Now, when it comes to creating things with Pictory, basically it first gives you different templates to work with. Okay. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly go ahead. Okay. I'm going to add an email. There we go. You're going to create a password for yourself. Make sure that it's a strong and well-built password. So I'm going to go ahead and continue this. Now, once you continue this, basically what happens from here is that you are going to be taken to this section where it's going to give you all the editorial sequences. And you can do a lot of things in Pictory. You can go from script to video in about minutes, turn blog posts into videos for better SEO and reduced bounce rates, transform long videos into engaged branded clips for social media like TikTok and stuff. And then all you're going to do is you're going to verify the payment method with your credit card. And once you get all those things, you can achieve all of these settings and all of these features in the shortest amount of time. So first of all, to start things off, Pictory AI was made for YouTube creators, because Pictory, as it says, uses the AI technology to give you one of the greatest things and elements to improve your video editing and video creation. Now, why do YouTubers actually love picking Pictory? So obviously, you can create a faceless YouTube channel, or you can edit videos of yourself of speaking into a camera. Pictory gives you all the solutions. You get a powerful AI assistant where you can do text to speech, you can do actual, copywriting, you have resizing, and it does not blur the video out. It does not kill the pixels. It has a media library of massive number of elements. There's so many things that you can work with. And then, you can get a text to speech AI with the right voice to give your faceless YouTube channel a big punch. Then it's PC and Mac compatible, so any compatibility works. You can, start from text, paste your scripts, and get a text to speech. You can get recorded videos of yourself. You get customized branding settings, and then you can preview, generate, and share different videos for yourself. So it's really fun to use this, and it's really fun to get your head around these types of features for yourself. Okay. So that's the general idea of using Pictory. And that is how you can create videos on YouTube with Pictory AI, Jasper AI tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through Jasper AI. So Jasper AI is a co-pilot for different marketing teams. Now, Jasper was created for all these marketing platforms, okay? And it was created for sales and CRM and just to make your CRM and sales better, okay? So in this video, I'm going to be quickly talking to you about what Jasper AI chat does for you and how it's better. So AI chat that feels surprisingly human. You can interact with artificial intelligence that will help you a lot. Okay, and it feels like you're actually talking to a live support member. It's an actual person. An expansive base of knowledge on niche and advanced topics. A familiar design that's accessible and easy to use and remembers what you said earlier by giving it a better context. You can start a chat with Jasper by asking a question or stating a command. And obviously, you're going to want to make an account with Jasper for this. It gives you a trial. It's going to ask you your credit card and stuff. But after that, look at that. You can use it immediately. And Jasper AI is an amazing AI chatbot tool. It's a good alternative to stuff like ChatGPT and to things like any other chatbots out there. An even better alternative to this is Bing Chat because that's totally free. But you can just use Jasper AI as itself because it was specifically created for marketing. Now, you can actually take Jasper's work and import it to your Jasper documents. And as you can see, you can see the similarities between a Jasper and ChatGPT Plus. So you can upload images where you can ask it questions regarding this image. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload this image of a bun and I'm going to write, what is this? Okay, I'm going to write that. I'm going to click on enter. Now, once you write that and you ask, what is this? We're going to wait for it to search up and it's going to give us an explanation on what this image contains. So it says, I cannot access and process the image. Obviously, if the image is a bit blur or if you don't provide the image's link, it might do some mishaps, but it will generally tell you what the image is. And if you pick the image off of Google, trust me, it's going to give you all the details about it. Like you can pick up any image from Google Images and you're going to get the data you want. So that is basically Google Bard AI, and that is how we're going to use it for ourselves. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Ultimate Canva AI Talking Avatar Text to Video. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make Canva AI Talking Avatar Text to Video in the easiest way. So for this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on Create a Design. And once you click on Create a Design, what you're going to do from here is you are going to go and search up video. So once you search up video, what you're going to want to do from here is just go on any recurring design. So let's say we're going to come on this video design over here. Now, this should be a good 1920 by 1080 design for a talking video. So to actually get an AI talking avatar, you're going to want to go to a website like D-ID. Okay, d-id.com is one of the greatest websites where you can go ahead and create a graphical user interface, and you can actually create a talking AI, as you can see. So you're going to sign up with your d-id section over here. Okay, get your talking avatar. Now, once you get your talking avatar, you're going to upload it over here. So let's say this is your video for talking avatar, right? Now to do text to video, okay? To do actual text to video on this, what you're going to do is you are going to be using the actual video features that Canva brings you, okay? You're going to get a lot of AI tools. So you're going to use the Canva AI tools, and for that, you are going to want to use this magic switch, okay? And in this magic switch, you're going to get Canva Pro. So once you get Canva Pro, you're going to do translate, and what that will do is it will obviously give you textings due to all the language that you're going to get. So get your avatar from D-ID, get your text AI from your Canva, and you're good to go. So that's how you're going to make Canva AI text to video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all of you next time. Goodbye.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use DALI image generator inside the Canva app. It's a little different. We did couple of videos prior, we made couple of examples and case studies. If you're curious, you can see our results. We create a brand image, we create couple of prototypes for products, so you can check out these videos as well. In today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to create something different. So the first thing, you want to come over here at canva.com and you want to click on apps. Then you want to go over and find DALI. So how you're going to go over here about simply choosing creating something from scratch like we're going to do over here, or using an existing design. If you already had certain projects in Canva, you can simply import them here. Let's click on use a completely new design. And in this example over here guys, we are going to create Instagram story, and this Instagram story will be different simply because we're going to utilize something that no one expects to see. Remember, Instagram stories are usually something that you have experienced or something that you saw on the street somewhere. It's extraordinary, it's right here right now happening. Okay, so we're going to set a command, create a story image where person walks in the jungle and sees a giant monkey. Make it look like it's a selfie taken image. Pretty complicated script, pretty complicated prompt. Let's see what are the results. The main difference is that DALI will only give you 2 variations of the actual creation, while if you use a Magic Studio here on Canva, you're going to get 4. And I think this is hilarious. Okay, so I think people will be clicking on the second one most likely. It's not perfect, it's not amazing. I honestly like more Magic Studio AI. I have made plenty of videos on it. You can guys check it out and see what we actually get out of it. That it's okay, it's not perfect. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use DALI inside the Canva app. Very easy, very simple. The first step of course will be to log in into your Canva account, and then you have to go to Discover Apps section. When you come over here, guys, you want to click on the filter on the top over here, and you want to filter all the apps with the AI powered. So this will help you to see all the current apps that are using AI and they're producing content based on the AI. So in this example, I'm going to use DALI. We made probably 15 different videos yesterday on Magic Studio from AI image generator from Canva. So guys, you want to make sure that you check these videos as well. Let's jump into DALI. Let's click on it. The way how DALI works inside Canva is that you will have the option to edit already pre-made content, picture, video, or you essentially can create a brand new design over here. For this example, I am going to click new design. So guys, we're going to create a logo with DALI. Okay, so if you didn't use DALI prior, DALI is a little different if you if you use the other AI tools, because DALI over here doesn't have any additional filters. So everything what you type in the prompt will be what you're going to get. With Magic Studio, we had an option where you choose the style. Is it going to be animation? Is it going to be vintage look like? So it's like a different styles, different designs. Also, you have an option to change the aspect ratio with Magic Studio. Here, it's pretty random, but the results sometimes are amazing. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can create something cool. So we're gonna ask DALI to create an electric scooter, okay, based on Tesla's car design. Okay, and also we are going to see make it as realistic as possible for product prototype. Boom, let's generate and let's see what results we're going to get. With DALI, we're going to get only 2 variations of the prompt in terms of content. With Magic Studio, you're going to get 4 each time. Also, the credits that you're going to get with DALI are much less versus the credits you're going to get with Magic Media. So now, as you can see over here, we can still change the results by simply adding more inside our prompt as a text, but we can click on the image itself and we can essentially drag the edges so we can make it larger from one side to the other. The good thing that is, because it's generated from AI, it is not going to reduce the quality of the actual image. It's not like the usual JPEGs. Okay, so now if I zoom out, guys, you will see that yeah, it is not perfect, it is not amazing. I would say it looks futuristic, but definitely not what I was expecting. I think probably if we did a little more description, and probably if we had a little more context towards the prototype, probably we could have a better results. But essentially, guys, this is how you are going to use the whole DALI with Canva, and this is how you can utilize the prompts. Learn from my mistakes and make even better content, guys. For more videos like this, subscribe and like this video.
let's say I want it to be neon and I'm going to click on generate it again. So let's say you're trying to make a collage, okay? So just gonna keep it like this, and I'm just gonna increase its size a bit. There we go. So now you can pretty easily create a collage with the other pictures as well. So look at that. It started creating these retro images. So I'm gonna add this one over here and look at how cool that looks, you know? Like this is the type of stuff that Canva is good at creating. So I'm just gonna match it over here and look at that. So now we have a very retro and cool vibe going on. Then let's go with some concept art. And while we're at this, let's also go ahead and discuss Dolly, okay? So in Dolly, you do the same thing, but in this, there's no style. You're just gonna enter your prompt and they're gonna give it to you. So, let's go ahead and write retro image of, so I'm gonna write retro image of a metal band performing at Woodstock. Woodstock is this performance venue, so I'm just going to go ahead and generate this. All that is being generated. Look at that. So now it's created a concept art, and that looks really nice. That looks really cool. I'm just going to add it to my design, make it smaller. There we go. And obviously, you're just going to wait for the quality to settle in. It takes a few seconds to load in. And there we go. Now the quality settled in. And finally, what we're going to do is let's change it to Filmic as well. Let's say I want a Filmic font. And while that is going on, look at this. DALL-E has created this for us. Now, DALL-E basically gives you the most realistic pictures, in my opinion. Like after Midjourney and Stable Diffusion, obviously Dolly will give you very realistic pictures. So look at this. It actually looks like a band poster. Again, the faces, don't go on them because, it's AI. AI is not the greatest at faces, but you get the retro vibe. And this is actually Woodstock. Woodstock stage did look like this. It's a metal band performing and, pretty cool stuff. And finally, we're over here. We get the filmic vibe. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to add it right here, make it smaller. There we go. And yeah, there we are. So you can see we made this 4 picture collage through AI. We made it through Magic AI. We made it through the Magic Pictures that we just used. And I'm simply going to go ahead and download this. And then you have this as well. And you're going to see that the image quality of these is absolutely out of this world. So yeah, that is how you're going to be using the image AI in Canva. So I hope that was, fun to watch for you. If it was, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.